Hey humans, welcome back to my channel. It's Winnie BLV, Mouth of the South. No intro, no outro. It's just this Hope you're having a fabulous day. Let me check my bangs they're not doing bangy things. They're not banging, girl. They're, what's my new word? Chuggy. They're chuggy, girl. I hope you're having a great day. I have a collab video, a mother effing collab with these two girls. Yes, we will ride together, girl. We are ride or die, 'cause we ride like the wind, ride like the wind, da-na, da-na. I always take y'all old school. Today is no different. Today, though, we do have, I recorded this whole friggin' video. If I'm lying, I'm dying. And the camera, she had card full, and she was like, no, bitch, not today. I refuse. So, yeah. Did I hear the beeping? No. I did not. I hear constant ringing in my ears, but it's never for anything good. The dinner bell, ding, I do hear that. I haven't missed that one yet. Okay, so anyway, we are doing the Coach Outlet and Basquiat collab video. My T was very sharp there. I bought several things. I bought 6 items. 4 of which are going back. I didn't love. And anymore, I have to really, really love, because this thing's not a trophy shelf, guys. Okay, maybe it is, but it shouldn't be. It should just be bags I love and only love, and everything else she's got to go, because I have cut my old collection down. But anyway, back to the Coach of Basquiat. I just did not love some of these pieces. You know that every single time I do a video during the daytime, I never hear anybody mowing until when? Yeah, click record. Oh, hi, trimming. Great, go ahead, I'll wait. No, yeah, every single time it happens. And then, of course, my air conditioner kicks on. So we've got the ring and the shh coming together for a ear explosion. All right, that didn't make any sense. But to make a long story short, we collabed together to do our reveals of the items. I'm not going to use any of the items except for one bag that I absolutely love. So 6 things I bought. Let's just get into it. Of course, me being the crazy slide lady, I could go say I'm not going to say some crazy things, but I do love to electric slide and cha-cha slide. So, you know, I am the crazy slide lady in more ways than one, girl. I will not get on a water slide anymore. Not since, you know, my whole body ate my bathing suit one time going down one of those great. That was a deep cavity search no one needed to do, but they were real nice to help. Yeah. Anyhow. So I bought these famous slides. They're not actually famous. They just say it on the front. That was part of Basquiat's thing, you know. So yeah, I thought these were cute. I do particularly love the yellow on the bottom. Not that anybody ever sees the bottoms, but that catches my eye, and I don't know. I just like that there's, yeah, but that's all I liked. I wasn't into these. I didn't even take them off the little cardboard doodad. So yeah, I've noticed that these are men's. So when you're buying anything from Coach or Coach Outlet, if it says a D, which is a man's wide width, that's for men. If it says B, that's for women. And also usually it says women's or men's. You don't know how many times I've sold slides and put in bold writing, men's size blank. And people all the time say, hey, are these men or women? Don't make me come through this iPad and smack you. But I get that quite a lot. I've been guilty of not reading a listing all the way through, so I get it. But anyway, these, she's not keeping. Nope. Not keeping these. That's why they're still packed up, packaged. I didn't feel these. I wasn't like, oh, she must be mine. No. Or in this case, he, because they're men's. And I also noticed from the outlet, you get them on this little door hanging looking thing. I get it to display them, but when you buy any slides at the regular Coach store, they come in a box. But these did not. So going back, and these, I'm not really even going to take them out of the packaging because, like I said, I'm not keeping. But these are the Coach, or the Basquiat. Look, see, they've got the, they call that the Pez dispenser, and then Coach calls it their Rexy. So, but it's really a Basquiat thing that he did, this dinosaur-looking Pez dispenser is what they call that, but this is just the Coach C's, and they are cute. I don't like the way that they flip up on the edges. It's kind of a little cheaply made, if I'm being honest. And I don't think the items, I don't think that's just a, oh, you know, Coach outlet. I just think that's a Coach thing, because I've seen these from the actual Coach store, and I don't think they look, I just think they look a little flimsy. I should have known that going in, but I was like, let me buy some things, let me see, because, you know, I didn't go to the outlet, I didn't look, I just waited until they dropped last week on, what was it, Saturday at 6 a.m., me and Autumn, waiting until it dropped, and then, you know, but these have sold out, and so have the black ones. They both have sold out. I probably would have liked these better had they been the black slides with the little Pez thing on them. That kind of would have, I probably would have, or purple. Girl, I'm a sucker for purple. You already know this. I love purple in every way. But these, they don't grab me. They going back. Same thing, I bought sneakers. I was on a shoe state of mind that morning, but I bought these. They had another pair, and I did not get they were ivory, and they match a bag that I bought, but I'm not keeping that bag either. What did I do with that bag? Oh, it's over here. Okay. Remember, I've recorded this once. And that last video, I gotta tell you, it was a home run. It was so hilarious and so good, but now we'll never know. Just take my word for it. But anyhow, this one does have the, I'm a sucker for this. I love, love, love the Rexy / Pez dispenser thing from Basquiat, and I love that it has a little bit of purple around the heel, but that's the extent of it. I wasn't like, oh, these are great, I gotta wear these with rolled up jeans right now. I just wasn't. And to be honest, am I a little old to pull that off? I don't think you're ever too old. So yeah, I could pull it off. But I don't love these. And I love sneakers usually and slides, but none of these did it for me, so story of my life, girl. They're going back. It should be the story of my life. But these, truthfully, are going back. Okay, so on to, I bought 2 bags. And this famous Dempsey tote with the famous on the front. It has the little 5,000 right there and 10,000. And I love how they put the Coach emblem in between that. I just thought that was a cute detail. But check it out. That's all of the Basquiat writing that is on, no side action, and you know I love side action. I'm just kidding. But they do have feet. It does have feet. It's a little tiny Dempsey tote, but I kind of, if I'm being honest, I felt like they could have done a little more with this, but that's just me. And I do like it, but I'm not crazy about it. And they did the handle in like a faux snakeskin detail, which is super cute, but I did not love this. I like it, but I'm not like, oh, let me put my stuff in her. I gotta carry her right now. You know, that feeling. And I wanted to have that feeling, but I didn't. So going back, not keeping. These are the last 2 items, and these are the things that I am keeping and that I am crazy about, girl. first things first. Oh, I already took it off. My last video, I attached this to the bag and showed you, but I got this bag charm, which I think is a lot like the Coach and Basquiat bag charm that they had last year, I think. But the only difference is at the Outlet one, this collab, they did the signature C's on the back, and it's not all black. I think that Autumn has that. I'm pretty sure I've seen that in her collection. So she's probably going to show you. But yeah, it's really cool. I did not get one from the Coach and Basquiat collab last time. So I was really glad to get this, and for kind of a cheaper price. Because I'm never going to see the back, because it's going to be hanging on this fabulous Dempsey tote, which I am crazy about. I am very, very, very excited with this. I love it. I love the size of this. It kind of reminds me of the PM on the go tote, which I gotta put that on my wish list. I love that too. But for now, this is doing it for me. I love, if you're seeing a theme with me, I do love this. I think this is great. Would have liked to have seen the handles in this purple, but they did sort of purple. They did like a deep, deep red. I don't know if it's coming through, girl. Come through, girl. Come through. I don't know if it is or not, but they also did a little snakeskin detail on that. If I give it a spin on the side, see, I like this, that it has a lot of different little things going on each side. There's something for everyone. Doing the autumn turn, the autumn shuffle. It says very obnoxious, askew, odd, / off base, Basquiat's thing. And then on this side, I do love this. They chose to put the emblem, the Coach gold-plated emblem thing here. And I like that detail. I think that's perfect. They didn't mess it up with doing it on the front, but they put it right here, and that was perfect to me. This is a home run. This bag is everything. I know I've said that before, but she really is, girl. She's the one. But yeah, inside like an oxblood. I haven't carried her yet because, you know, I've been busy buying bags and trying to carry them. But anyhow, oh, it smells so good. So leathery. I love the smell of leather in the morning, in the afternoon, and at night. I just love it. Yes, girl. But yeah, it comes with a little hang tag that has Basquiat and Coach on it, written in like a silvery gray color, which is kind of weird because all the hardware is gold and brassy, but whatever. They went, you know, in on the details. It's got little Coach embossed on each side of the little rivets. Like, yeah, it's got feet. Ding, ding, ding. Check, check, check. This checks all the boxes for me. And if it's one thing I need is somebody to check all my boxes, girl. This does it. It's gorgeous. She is gorgeous. Now, I did this in my last video that I recorded, and it didn't go through. This is the one thing that, I mean, and it's not a flaw in the bag. It's just how things are. If I go to hang my handy dandy cute, I take these off, guys. Do you take them off, the little key rings? I have so many of these floating around, and I don't want to throw them out because they're like, oh, they came with Coach, and what should I do? I just take them off and stash them somewhere. I have so many of these things. But you can't hardly see how this hang tag, it's always going to flip inside because that's where they placed the little strap holders on this one. Now, I know why they did it, because it's smart. You can crossbody this, and I get it, kind of like the on the go, right? You can shove these handles down in there and just crossbody it. Genius! Yes! But that leaves me with the, where am I going to put my friggin' beautiful Pez / Rexy bag charm? Oops, here she is. I guess that I'm going to have to share space on the side here, but I really want it on the front. I mean, these are first world problems, guys, but I have no place to hang my tote. Or I have no place on my tote to hang my bag charm, and that is, girl, I don't know. It does snap. This thing is incredible. I could have gone over all these details on the other bag, but I'm not as crazy about that other bag. It will snap once I take all the crap out of it, but girl, your stuff's not coming out. I kind of like it with the top handle moments on there, if I'm being totally honest. I like that. That's probably how I'll carry it. There's no way she's getting that on her shoulder. But I can go up to the elbow. I'm not going to say anything, guys. I'm leaving that one alone. That was a free one, guys. But next time, anyway, yeah. And I can also just crossbody it, too. This is the best part of the collection. If you can get your hands on this one, I don't know as of today if it's sold out. Maybe. I don't know. But anyhow, girl, I love. This is the home run for me. This is the hit. So into it. So out of all the things I bought, this is the one that I am keeping and I currently love. Now, go on over to Autumn and Yota's channel. I have linked them down below in the description box. So head on over there, watch their videos, hit the like on all of our videos, comment down below. Did you buy anything from this collection, from the Coach Outlet and Basquiat collection? Are you planning on buying anything? What did you like of what I showed you, what Autumn showed you, and what Yota? Put it all down there, girl. We will talk about it at length. You know me. And I hope you guys have a great rest of the day. And listen, if y'all see my husband, that was kind of rough. Let me start over. Listen, if y'all see my husband, please don't tell him nothing. Bye. This is usually the part at the end of the video where I say something funny. I sing a song. I do a fun skit. I try to be hilarious, but beesh, I got nothing. I'm so sorry. Such a letdown. Oh well, I'll leave you with Yota.
Bam.